Hi guys, good morning. So, if you open the newspaper, you are having a news called a Starlink, right? Have you heard about the Starlink? What exactly about this in the news? The Starlink buying subscriber for their internet providing services. Okay, means they will provide internet in India. Internet, which kind of internet? Which kind of internet they are talking about? Satellite. Okay, satellite internet, right? You already know there is one question come always the our difference between cable cable internet versus satellite, right? Satellite. So you know which is the faster? Cable is the faster internet, right? You have already heard about the Andaman uh, and the Lakshadweep. Okay, they are going to connect between with the cables, sea cables, right? So let's go ahead. So actually the Starlink is buying subscriber for Indian internet providing, right? So that was the news. Actually the Starlink is a SpaceX, okay, a SpaceX project, and they have interlinked a lot of satellite or the outer atmosphere of India, outer atmosphere of the earth, right? So there is no any questions should arise from who is Elon Musk, everybody know. Okay, so why it was in the news? Department of Telecommunication, right? Department of Telecommunication said that SpaceX should immediately Starlink should immediately stop buying their subscriber, right? Because they had do not have the license. So Department of Telecommunications said to Starlink that first buy your license, right? License for doing in business in India, right? Doing business in India, doing business in India. First buy the license for doing business in India and then sell your internet service, right? So one important thing you should remember that the Starlink is totally different kind of internet. Okay, this is the Earth. There are a huge number of satellite. Both are interconnected with the one toward the main satellite, and that is called a SpaceX and the internet, right? Right. That is called a Starlink. Have you got it? Great.